It was extremely engaging and I learnt so many more revision tips.
It was a really interactive experience and Kim made it fun to learn.
I reckon the post-it note experience, I feel like it's a really effective way to learn and fun as well.
I really like the imagery around the room. I think it's going to really help me remember things in exam.
I thought it was really good. It was really informative, really colourful, really interactive. The students loved getting involved, getting them to stand up, using that kinesthetic learning as well. I think the students will take a lot from today.
I thought it was really engaging. I like the fact that it was very interactive. We were doing things we don't normally do in class, so it was like a bit of a breath of fresh air. I thought that was really useful. It definitely helped me to keep focused because I struggle normally. I think the game with the ping pong ball, I think it was just nice to get some sort of action, something a bit different to what you normally do in class as well, so I thought that was good. I thought she was really, really nice. She was a bit bonkers, but that's always a good thing. I think very engaging. She made sure that we all, paid attention. I don't think anyone was looking at their phones or anything.
So we've used Positively You for several years now. We find their high energy, really dynamic and engaging presentations are really useful to motivate our students and really get them excited about revision, which can be quite a dull topic actually, but I think if it's done in an exciting, engaging way, the students get a lot more out of it. It's definitely a benefit that they come from outside of the school and they're not seen as teachers, and they can come in with a different mindset and the children respond to them in quite a different way, I'd suggest, rather than just having me standing up doing assembly again with them about revision. I think they really get a lot from the fact they have people from outside coming in.
I thought the session was great. It was really insightful. It was different, unique, creative, and it's everything you want to be when you're learning. Favourite part was probably the mind map, because it taught me about someone that I've never really heard about, but he's actually a really interesting character, and it's also such a great way to lay out your revision and learning. She was so exciting, you just couldn't get bored. It was absolutely perfect.